श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीगणेशाय नमः। श्री आयुर्वेदाय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। श्रीविद्यां जगतां धात्रीं सर्गस्थितिलयेश्वरीं नमामि ललितां नित्यां महात्रिपुरसुन्दरीम्. Continuing with the second episode of Ayur Lalita, that is the glory and greatness of Lalita Mahatripura Sundari in Ayurveda. Today in this episode we'll look into the concept as how Ayurveda Acharyas have sought the blessings of Lalita Mahatripura Sundari in various forms in the beginning of their Samhita. Yoga Ratnakara Acharya in the beginning of his Samhita does namaskara to शिवं हरिं विधातारं तत्पत्नीस्तत्सुतान् गुरून् नत्वा समस्तप्रत्यूहा शान्तये मङ्गलाय च. That is, Acharya Yoga Ratnakara seek the blessings of Parvati Parameshwara, Lakshmi Narayana, Vani Hiranyagarbha, Ganesha, Subramanyeshwara, and also the blessings of Guru and 33 crore gods of our Sanatana Dharma. It's clear that Tatpatnihi indicates Lalita Mahatripura Sundari in Trimurti Swarupa, that is Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. So this is the importance given to Lalita Devi by Yoga Ratnakara Acharya. When we observe the Shishilekha Tika of Sri Indu Acharya, he does namaskara to Vagishwari or Saraswati as प्रोद्भासि स्वच्छ शंख स्फुट शिशिशकलोद्धाम वैशद्य हृद्या प्रोद्यत् सौन्दर्यवर्य प्रकटित वपुषं नौमि वागीश्वरीं ताम्. That is, I do namaskara to Shuddha Spatika Sankasha and also Shwetavarna Sharadhindu Samana Shri Vagishwari or Sharada Devi. And when we look into the concept of Nibandha Sangraha Tika of Sri Dhallanacharya, Acharya also does namaskara to Saraswati Devi as Sahasraksham Ganadhesham Swagurum cha Saraswatim Janakam Janayitrim cha Shastrado Pranamamyaham. And when we look into the Ayurveda Deepika Tika of Chakrapani also does namaskara to Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Swarupa Saraswati Devi as Saraswatyai Namo Yasyah Prasadat Punyakarmabhihi Buddhidarpana Sankrantam Jagadadhyakshamiksyate. When we look into the Sharangadhara Samhita, Acharya Sharangadhara has done namaskara to Bhavani Shankara. This Bhavani is the Swarupa that has to be worshipped in Navaratri as Bhavani Bhavana Gamya Bhavaranya Kutharika Bhadrapriya Bhadramurtir Bhakta Saubhagyadayini, and also as Arunam Karunam Tarangitakshim Drutapashankusha Pushpavana Chapam Animadhibhiravrutais ahamityeva vibhavaye bhavani. The Bhavani Shankara shloka of Sharangadhara Acharya is Shriyam sadadyad bhavatam purarihi edangateja prasare bhavani virajate nirmala chandrikayam mahaushadheva jwalata himadrao. Like this, many Ayurveda Acharyas have done namaskara to Lalita Mahatripura Sundari in different forms such as Bhavani, Saraswati, Sharada, etc. and seek the blessings of Jagannmata and done their rachana of their granthas respectively. Thus saying, we conclude today's episode. Sarvam Shri Jagadambar Paramastu Swasti.